I think I may be the first person or the only person that has to make their fucking pre-workout in a Pyrex bottle. They like a company to sponsor me or some shit. I'm broke. Okay, guys, I know, right? It's been a little bit since I uploaded, you know, only 2 weeks, but for me, that's quite a bit of a time because I'm supposed to be on the grind right now. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, for the past couple weeks, I just haven't been myself. Like, I don't know what the term is. Like, I don't know how to pronounce it. Anhedonia or something. I probably butchered the pronunciation, but that's like a little symptom that I've been dealing with. I just haven't been finding joy in anything that I've been doing. And, you know, just a lot of cognitive dissonance. I'm not gonna make a detailed explanation or anything. I'm sorry, guys. We're back. Right, you go. Yeah, enough of that, bro. My bad for not uploading. We back. We got a little upper day today. Like, I'm gonna be weak because it's been 12 minutes since I've been to the gym, bro. I just haven't been going consistently. My diet's been off again. All that blah, blah, blah shit, you know? We gonna get back into it. I'm not worried, you know, because I'm that nigga, okay? I'm that fucking niggas. And that's the mentality that y'all should have, bro. No matter what you go through in life, it could be the worst shit ever, bro. Always gotta bounce back. You only got one life. And you gotta make the best out of that shit no matter what, bro. And this upper day is gonna be like a comeback. It's like this upper day is gonna bring me back to where I need to be. Up there on the cut. I'm still 200 pounds. Like, I guess I'm down 3 pounds. Just need to stop being a bitch, guys. I'm sorry. I don't want to waste too much time talking. I know y'all don't like that shit, so.
And you always got to look on the bright side of shit, bro. It's a nice fucking spring day. Weather not too cold, not too hot. I'm about to go hit a crazy fucking lift, bro. It doesn't matter how I've been feeling lately. It doesn't matter if I haven't gone to the gym in a minute. I'm still gonna go in and do my fucking shit, bro. Can't be getting caught up in sadness and shit, bro. We got shit to do out here. We got goals to chase. We got shit to accomplish, man. So one message before we get into this shit, bro. One message before we get into this shit. I can't even think about one, nigga. Just know, if you're watching this, bro, you're that nigga, bro. You can do fucking anything in this world, bro. Never let anything stop you from achieving your dreams. Cause I'm telling y'all, man, I said this every fucking time, every fucking video. We're gonna be back at this video in a year. We're gonna be like, damn, this nigga really manifested this shit. I'm gonna be like, yeah, nigga, I fucking told you, bitch. To describe it, but this drive kind of just like fixed my mind. I feel like I'm back, man. What's that shit Toji said? I feel like I'm getting my edge back.
Noticeably weaker right now. I don't think it was a good idea to immediately go back to benching after my little hiatus. It's all right. That just means we gotta go way lighter than before. I'm gonna see how this 225 feels. I don't know if y'all can see on the video, but form just feels so off. I don't think it looks off, but for me, I just need to readapt to bench. Why does 225 feel heavier than 245? They broke the fucking tripod. Look at this shit, man. What I was trying to do was pull this shit down. I literally got this shit like a fucking month ago. I have the old tripod at home, so it's gonna have to do for now. Oh.